Tesla stock price might be getting ready for a massive turnaround over the next few months, and it's believed that this change may come from the most unexpected source. Hi there, and welcome back to Everything. It turned out that Tesla's been working on a secret plan that could change everything. However, what Tesla is planning could come at a very huge monetary cost to the company. So what's this secret weapon that could be worth trillions? Make sure that you don't miss out on a second of this one, as we're going to be doing a deep dive into Tesla's undercover weapon that could bring trillions of dollars of revenue within a short time while here. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, as that helps the channel grow. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's get on with it. For the first time, Tesla has set its sights on pushing the world towards widespread use of sustainable energy, in addition to electric cars and trips to the moon. But also the objective is to have its products at the forefront of this energy shift, and Musk is not taking this goal lightly. For a more Tesla-driven perspective, over the last couple of years, Elon Musk and Tesla have been making moves to penetrate the energy business in America, while there have been other international energy endeavors by the company, which we'll be getting into shortly. We're going to kick off with what might be the biggest and most significant move yet. Tesla is popular for being the capital of the energy business in America, and one thing that Tesla and Texas have in common, aside from the first letters of their names, is Tesla's massive factory sitting on thousands of acres of land. While Tesla's Gigafactory Texas may be soon one of the wonders of the world, both in its sheer size and level of tech and innovation that will be going in and out of the facility, it's merely another piece of the puzzle. It goes without saying that Tesla's future is heavily invested in a Tesla Gigafactory, and the success of this factory is an automatic win for the company and, of course, its stock price. So it is definitely worth keeping an eye on it. In the last few months, Tesla has been paying keen attention to pushing the boundaries of its production capability as far as possible. Almost all the company's factories have been going through several changes and facility expansions to increase output by 50 to 100% by the end of the year. Despite the belief that the Texas Gigafactory is as big as you can get, Musk has made statements that the factory will need some more expansion. According to the Tesla CEO, the company may be looking to expand the length of the factory to hit 1 mile. There's no doubt that this may just be a move by Musk to gain bragging rights, knowing his record. Nevertheless, though, it's impossible to deny the fact that an expansion of Giga Texas could tip the scales in favor of Tesla, its stock price, and its investors. At the moment, the factory is rumored to be pushing out about 2,000 to 5,000 units per week. If the expansion plans that Musk has hinted out come through, then we could be looking at double to triple this output rate within a few months of said expansion. This could end up being a part of Tesla's secret weapon that could raise trillions of dollars for the company over the next few years nonetheless. So what Tesla is planning may be way bigger than just an expansion of its already massive facility greater than Giga Texas. Yeah, you've heard that one right. While Tesla has made a name for itself in the EV space, electric vehicles have always been just one part of the company's goals. In fact, it may even be smaller than you think. Apart from the Texas Gigafactory, it was discovered early on in 2021 that Tesla was getting into energy and power space in Texas. This project was one of Tesla's best-kept secrets for a long time. The project involved the construction of a massive battery that's going to connect the already weak electric grid in Texas. According to reports at the time, the company running the project was registered as Gambit Energy. However, it was later discovered that it was in fact a subsidiary of Tesla. Gambit was rumored to be building an energy storage unit with a capacity of over 100 megawatts. Hypothetically, this battery could comfortably light up 20,000 homes for a good day. This is where the topic of expansion in Texas comes into play. Texas has never really had a strong power game, so if Tesla intends to expand any further, then something needs to be done about the power station while the battery project is adequately kept under wraps. Proper execution of this project could change everything for the company in different ways. At the base level, building utility-scale batteries is very useful for saving excess energy from wind and solar. As icing on the cake, it could also become a source of income for users. These batteries allow users to save unused electricity that they can then sell back to the grid whenever demand is high and prices are higher. This way, you could offer an extra source of income to households while simultaneously assisting the power grid to maintain a more consistent power supply. Unsurprisingly, Tesla has always been trying to stretch its arms into residential energy technology. Musk showed off a battery product that the company called Powerball, and by the following year, Musk was out again, this time presenting a solar roof. Despite the funding put into research and redesigning many of the iterations of this product, it never really caught on. Still, you can trust Elon Musk to not stop there. Moving beyond consumer-level energy supply, Tesla is looking at getting into the electrical grid. Currently, The Tesla Power Pack and the bigger Mega Pack might be the keys to unlocking so many doors for Tesla and its investors. How can we be so confident? Well, Tesla has already hosted a similar project in South Australia as far back as 2017. This battery project generated as much as 100 megawatts of electricity, and it was the largest in the world at the time. Furthermore, Tesla already has its battery packs running in South California, supporting the grid with an estimated 20 megawatts of power right now. There's yet to be any confirmation as to what the capacity of Tesla's Texas Megapack would be. Still, you can be almost certain that this one is going to be massive. While Tesla has managed to keep this one under wraps for so long, at completion, the company could secure revenue running into the trillions. For those worried about the cost of building such projects, you should know that Tesla is looking beyond what the world looks like right now and more towards what massive battery projects could achieve in the future. According to analysis, at this pace, Tesla's energy business could make up for about 30% of the company's annual revenue over the next few years. Surprisingly, it's already as high as 6% at the moment. Even the competition is wary of Tesla's expansion in Texas. Daniel Finfoley, the head of energy storage at Wood Mackenzie Power and Renewables, stated that Tesla's energy storage business on a percentage basis is growing far faster than their car business, and this is only going to accelerate. They are absolutely respected as a player and are competing aggressively on price. When Elon Musk suddenly developed an interest in Texas, a lot of critics and investors were unsettled considering the power situation in the states. With the possible expansion of Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas and the Megapack that may be getting ready to plug into the electrical grid, Tesla could benefit greatly. First off, the company's factory will not have to rely on local power for consistent electricity. This could exponentially scale the production of these factories, while also reducing the cost of production. In simpler terms, Tesla may be getting set to hit all of its output goals for less money. With a boost in production for its cars, Tesla will be able to meet the high demand for its cars, therefore increasing its earnings. If that happens, we may very well see a huge spike in price for Tesla stock, and of course, more investors interested in the company. But away from the cars and into energy, there is so much more that could be done with the mega packs that Tesla is rumored to be building in Texas. As Musk has begun to move a lot of his affairs to Texas, it's only going to be a matter of time before Tesla overtakes the power space in Texas, or Musk goes ahead and starts his own power company with the wealth of natural gas, oil, solar, and wind resources that Texas has to offer. Tesla will be stepping in to turn all of this into renewable forms of energy, something they have already had some experience with thanks to electric vehicles. By the time other companies begin to catch up with the power play that Tesla might be planning, it will already have gained a monopoly on the system and will once again be pioneering a new sector that will have consistent long-term benefits for the company, in the same way that the electric vehicle space was completely controlled by Tesla in its early days, causing its stock price to perform in multiples that had never been seen before. We may very well see the same success for the sustainable energy and power supply space in the US and internationally if Tesla can play its cards right. Then these secret projects could bring returns in the trillions and cause a massive turnaround at the stock price in the coming years. From now, we're going to keep our eyes peeled on how Tesla's ambitions play out in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of the latest updates on Tesla. And while you're still here, go ahead and click one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.